Hi, I'm Justin Labato, Lead Global Consultant at Buff & Shine Manufacturing. Most frequently asked question we get is where the best application is for our Reflection Artist pads. Well, I'll give you my personal preference from every day running the shop and what I think is best, and overall what we've gotten feedback from other professionals as well. So most people are going to do one-step applications. What I mean by one step is they have all-in-one products on the market that allow you to both clean, polish, and protect. So in that case, I usually recommend going with our what we call the blueberry pad. This is our heavy polish pad. This is great for most of your paints, and then if you want to get a little bit more aggressive, that's where our maroon medium cut pad would come into place. These would be our recommendations in regards to the all-in-one products that are currently on the market. And then from there, when you get into just standard polishing, that's where these three foam pads line up great based on the type of paint system you're working with, whether it be the color or also known as the hardness. Some paint systems are hard, some paint systems are soft. Now those are the things that you'll understand once you actually start doing test spots. And that's gonna help in regards to the benefits of what pad is gonna be the best fit for that application for polishing. And then from there, you have, of course, your cut pads. Now, the great thing I like about these is that most of the time in our shop setting, we found that going with our Euro wool blend to cut and remove and level a lot of the defects that are in the paint, it leaves somewhat of what we call a scratch pattern, which is a very light haze. Well, this blue pad, again, the heavy polished blueberry pad as we call it, this will help come back, clean that up, and get you to your final finish to get you the results that you're looking for, to give you the overall amazing shine that everybody sees online that your customers are going to be happy with, or you at home are going to be happy with as well. So that would be some of the combinations. Then from there, it's just a matter of course, running a test spot and figuring out what's going to be the best fit for that paint system, whether it be a dark color or light color, hard paint or soft paint. There's a lot of variables that go into that. So for that reason, that's why we simplified it with 5 different pads, and it allows you to go from most aggressive to least aggressive and find the best combination that's going to get you the winning results. I hope this answers any questions you have in regards to the best application for our Reflection Artist pads. If you have any other questions, make sure you leave your comments in the box below. Stay tuned for more videos on the Rag Company FAQ channel, and thank you for watching.